Kotak Mahindra Bank delivered its just about delivered its fourth quarter numbers. Now, standalone profit after tax 1267 crore rupees. That's of course the standalone profit after tax. I have the NIMs as well at 4.72%. And I have the net NPA, which is, by the way, at 0.7%. Okay, net interest income, by the way, is at 3560 crore rupees. 3560 crores is the net interest income. So this is all, of course, standalone, do remember. And then I also do have the other numbers. Like I mentioned, profit after tax 1267 crores. So it's a degrowth compared to the 1400 crore rupees in the corresponding quarter. Provisions, very important figure. Provisions and contingencies in total has inflated to 1047 crore rupees. This includes a general provision COVID related at 650 crore rupees. Which is COVID related specifically. That's what essentially the company has announced. Provisions on investments are at 24 crores, and then you have provisions on advances and receivables net at 373 crores. So in every parameter, the provision figure has increased. Operating profit, that's the profits I think prior to provisioning, have come in at 2725 crore rupee. That's the profits prior to provisioning. Okay, let's see what are the other figures that we have. I think I also did notice the NIMS figure that has come in at 4.72%. So if I have to just look at roughly what the scorecard tells me at this juncture, NII, like I mentioned, has come in at 3560 crores. It has come in above estimates. We were expecting, the ETNA poll was estimating the figure at around 3430 crores. So that's NII for you. Net NPA is at 0.7%. It has come off a tad bit from 0.89% in the previous quarter. The profit after tax on a standalone basis, though, I think has come in a bit below expectations at 1267 crore rupees. We were expecting the standalone profit after tax at 1600 we were expecting the profit after tax at 1200 crore rupees. So I think NII has come in a tad bit above expectations. Profit after tax, I suppose you could more or less call it in line with expectations. I'm just going to wait for my colleague Varun or Poona as well. Okay, Pankaj, do you want to come in over here?
So Mubina, I really have a question for you. How should one look into the banking numbers at this point of time? So there is a gross NPA number which is getting impacted with the moratorium. There is a provisioning number. Then there is a provisioning for COVID related numbers. So it's really getting very tough to predict and give a number as to whether these numbers are way above, way below, or really what is happening as far as this is concerned. And secondary, of course, you would want to look at the commentary, what's happening in the month of April. Just wanted to highlight that some of the deposit takeaways that they have given. So savings bank deposits have crossed rupees 1 lakh crores. 811 account, which of course is their app that they have, that has opened about 44 lakh continued opening in April and May during the lockdown. Current run rate maybe about 14,000 in the month of May. Overall, it's looking in broadly on the decent line. When you just look at these numbers so far.